Hey Mum.
What is it, Violy?
Can I go to Target to get a Pop-It Fidget Toy?
Hell no, Violy. You are still grounded. Go back to your room.
Ugh, whatever Mum. Holy crap. I can't believe my mom won't take me to Target to get a Pop-It Fidget Toy. What should I do? I know. I will just sneak out to Target to get a Pop-It Fidget Toy. Ha 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 ha.
Welcome to Target. How may I help you?
I would like to buy a Pop-It Fidget Toy.
Alright, that'll be $10.
Here you go.
Enjoy your new Pop-It.
Hooray! I got a new Pop-It Fidget Toy. Now, I can play with it whenever I want.
Did I just hear you say you got a new Pop-It Fidget Toy while you are grounded?
Oh shoot. I am so dead.
Help me condemn by a Pop-It Fidget Toy while you are grounded. That's so like freaking it. You are so grounded. Call 385-758-339-2847-57487-57485-748-574-758-39385 years. Now, get to bed.